at number 21. All right, so with 21, we're going to use this information to calculate these ratios here, the current ratio, cash ratio, asset test, debt ratio, and debt to equity for 2015 and 2016. 2014. Okay, so let's see. So first we're going to do A is the current ratio. So we got current assets over current liabilities. So we look over here, you have to go through and identify which of these are current. Okay, so remember, current assets are anything that we're going to use up within a year, and current liabilities are things we have to pay within the next year. So if we total all of that up, so we're going to look at cash, short-term investments, and then net accounts receivable, and our merchandise inventory. So it looks like all of these things, we got total assets of $585,000. That is going to definitely be higher than what we were calculating. So that's any other assets that aren't listed. So this isn't complete information, but we know all of those things we just listed are current. So we're going to add in that merchandise inventory. So that's $446,000. Then we're going to total up current liabilities. They already gave us $255,000. So we're going to take, that's going to equal, if we take, take that $446,000 divided by the 225. Oh, I'm going to factor that out some more. It's $175. Okay, 175. All right, so there's our current ratio. Okay, then do it for 2014 as well. So we do the same thing. Sorry, trying to. All right, so it's 2.19. I don't know why this isn't working the first time. 2.19. Okay, we'll do the same thing for B. So B is our cash ratio. So we're just going to take our cash plus our cash equivalents, which it doesn't list any cash equivalents for right now. For the purposes of this class, it would tell you if there were cash equivalents. So if there aren't any listed, just put 0. So it's 0.23. And do the same thing for 2014. And it's 0.26. All right, now we're going to get to the asset test ratio. So remember, this is our cash, short-term investments, and net current receivables. So now we can add in that $31,000 in short-term investments. Okay. Oops. And our receivables of 110. Okay. And then we're going to add that back to total current liabilities. And we get 0.78. And then 2014, we'll take 57. right, and we take that total divided by the current liabilities, because that's 0.85, okay? All right, so why don't you guys try the rest of these on your own, and then I will post the solution, okay? And then we'll do the same thing for the next problem. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Just do the practice on those ratios, and let me know if you have any questions.